What if I told you that the secret to success on YouTube has nothing to do with views, likes, or subscriber count? In fact, it's the exact opposite. Today I want to share with you why I keep creating content even when it feels like no one's watching. The reality of creating content. As a small YouTuber, I have faced my fair share of challenges. There have been times when I have poured my heart and soul into a video only to see minimal growth. It's discouraging and makes you wonder if it's all worth it. Creating content can be tough, especially when it feels like no one is watching. There have been times when I felt like giving up, like my content wasn't good enough, or that I wasn't making a difference. But here's the thing. Every successful creator started from the scratch. They have been in our shoes, struggling to find their voice, their audience, and their purpose. So, why do I keep creating content even when it feels like no one's watching? For me, it's about the process, not the outcome. It's about the journey, not the destination. It's about my purpose. Why did I start this channel in the first place? What drives me to keep creating? It's not about the views or the fame. It's about sharing my passion, my knowledge, and my story with others, even if it's very few people. I create because it's who I am. I'm a creator at heart, and making content makes me feel alive. It's my passion, my therapy, and my way of expressing myself. I also create because I believe that my content has value, regardless of who's watching. I believe that my message, my story, and my experiences can inspire and educate others, even if it's just one person. The power of perseverance. Look, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and perseverance. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. And it's the small, consistent actions that we take every day that ultimately lead to our success. Celebrating small wins is very important to stay motivated. For me, hitting 100 subscribers was a huge milestone. It may seem small to you guys, but to me, it was a big deal. Because I do remember the day when I had only 2 subscribers, my mom and dad, who have always been supporters from the day one. And now to have almost 200 subscribers is a huge deal to me because it's a testament to the power of perseverance. The problem with external validation, as creators, we often rely on the external validation to measure our success. We look at our view counts, subscriber counts, likes, and comments to determine whether our content is worth creating. The importance of internal validation. Internal validation is about creating for yourself, not for others. It's about making content that you are proud of, regardless of who's watching. When you focus on internal validation, you're free to create without the pressure of external validation. You're free to experiment, to try new things, and to make mistakes. And that's where the magic happens. That's where you discover your true voice, your true passion, and your true purpose. So, to all my fellow new creators out there, I want to leave you with a message of hope and encouragement. Keep creating even when it feels like no one is watching. Focus on the process, not the outcome. Focus on the internal validation, not the external validation. And most importantly, focus on why you started creating in the first place. And to my amazing subscribers, thank you for being a part of my journey. I'm honored to have you along for the ride. Let's keep creating, let's keep pushing forward, and let's celebrate our small wins together. Thanks for tuning in. If you have found this video helpful, then I highly recommend you check out the part 1 of why I create content even when no one is watching. The link will be somewhere here and in the description box. Also, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video with your creator friends, and comment and let me know what is your why, what is your purpose of creating content if you have a small channel like mine, and consider subscribing for more such videos. That's a wrap. This is Ananya signing off with a big virtual high five. Keep shining, keep striving.